Hello everyone, my name is Tom Martin. I'll be presenting the video installing Communique for Amazon Seller Central. As you can see, we're at our main homepage at altarian.com. We're going to go ahead and click on the link Communique for Amazon Seller Central. We'll go to the main page for Communique for Amazon Seller Central. We're going to go ahead and download the trial. For those of you who have purchased a license for the full version, the installation steps are identical for both. When you're done looking at this video, you may wish to look at some of our other videos using the trial, dashboards, basics and how-to, advanced topics, how-to with settlements, how-to with orders, and syncing Stone Edge. Okay, so let's go to the trial so we can download it. And then using the trial, we will be discussing some of this extra stuff up here. But for the purposes of this video, let's scroll down and download the trial. This is the download button right here. Before we do that, let's look at this installation and quick start. You can click on this link right here. It'll take you out to the installation and quick start page in our forum. Gives you the step-by-steps and the how-to. We also have some webinars you can look at. We've done 3 webinars in the last couple of weeks. Please feel free to come out here and look at those. Down here we have the release notes. Every time we have a release, there are notes associated with that. Kind of give you some of the details of what's been done for that particular release. All right, so we'll download the trial. So we click on the download button. We're going to save it to our desktop. You can save this anywhere you wish, and I should give you a little caution here. You should store the installer somewhere, or a copy of it at least, in the event that your computer crashes. You'll have a backup. So let's go ahead and download it. Now that we've finished downloading the trial, we're going to go ahead and install. Double click on the installer, run it, click on the next, accept the license agreement, click on next. This is the default installation directory here. If you have security permissions set so that you can't write to this directory, you may want to install this in a different directory, but for the default it goes into the program files Communique ASC. Next, the default program group is Communique for ASC. It's no need to change that name if you don't want to, but if you wish to change it to something else more meaningful to you, you can. All right, so we're going to create desktop icons and a quick launch icon. Next, let's go ahead and install. That's all there is to it. Communique for Amazon Seller Central has now been installed on your computer. Let's go ahead and launch and run the program. As you can see, the main page here is empty. This is the dashboard. When you first start up, you will always come to the dashboard. Since this is the first time you've run Communique for Amazon Seller Central, there's no data, so as you see, everything is blank. But let me go ahead and show you a couple of things. For example, you may want to change your company name to your company name. Come to the File, Database Options, where it says Company Name. Go ahead and put in a company name. As you can see, it's been changed here. You may also want to come and edit the markets. Essentially, this is a list of all of the markets for Amazon worldwide. Okay, the default market that's turned on is Amazon US, but you can come down here and select Amazon UK or any of the other markets. It doesn't matter. If you are selling merchant and FBA, typically that can be done with the same account, so you don't really need to make a distinction between your merchant sales and your FBA sales. Some of you out there may have more than one US account. You can come and we'll just edit the first one here. We'll call it TojanPhoto.com, and you may have a second US account, and we'll call that Altarian.com, and you can change the country to US. Now you have 2 US accounts. You want to display that. We're all good. Okay, so now the next step will be to either import orders or settlements. If you plan on reconciling settlements with orders, you're going to have to import the orders first. And you have a way of being able to do the orders, FBA, and then of course fulfillment files. Once you do that, then you can import your settlements and import your settlement feed. I want to thank everyone for joining our video. That's all we have for installing Communique. As you can see, it's pretty easy and simple and straightforward. There's nothing too difficult about it. If you have any questions, feel free to send emails to techsupport@altarian.com. That's techsupport@altarion.com. If you have any pre-sales questions, please feel free to send to sales@altarion.com. Again, that's sales@altarion.com. Thank you very much, and we appreciate you attending our video.